Zuppa Geo-Navigation Technologies is a beacon of innovation, redefining future of drone technology and autonomous systems in India. Our patented Disseminated Parallel Control Computing (DPCC) technology is a biomimicry of the human brain that delivers exceptional efficiency and unparalleled reliability as an electronic control system. The only Indian company among global leaders like DJI and Skydio, Zuppa has earned its place in the elite club of micro-drone and proprietary autopilot manufacturers. Our flagship, NavGati Autopilot, ensures fully autonomous operations from seamless takeoff to safe landing, while our Drishya vision system leverages cutting-edge AI to process multiple inputs for vision-based navigation. Zuppa is trusted by leading defense organizations like DRDO for providing secure, cost-effective, and MIL-compliant unmanned solutions. Our cyber-hardened electronics are specifically designed to meet the challenges of modern warfare, ensuring security, real-time adaptability, and unmatched survivability on the field. Zuppa's micro-drones deliver performance and cost economies of any global brand despite being non-Chinese by design in terms of component selection. Whether in defense or commercial sectors, Zuppa's innovations are driving India's defense tech revolution and is your secure, reliable China Plus One source for autopilots and drones, offering 24/7 by 365 end-to-end tech support. Visit www.zuppa.io to explore more.